Hello, my name is Jim. I am making a game called Fun Man, and this is some stuff that's happened in the development of Fun Man in the past week to 10 days, if you're into that kind of thing. The first thing is just a model. I called it a thought node. I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, and I'm still not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I thought of putting them on top of Go ports, and they can also be used as lighting in darker levels. They look pretty cool. They look like the Chernobyl tower. So as the game progresses, you'll get different abilities to be able to play as different characters. Here's a muscle man, and one of the latest ones they made is this wheelie guy. And you can use these to accomplish different goals and play the way you like. Previously, each one of these characters had their own camera inside their node, and I noticed there was trouble during switching between the characters in my weather system. What I did was I put all the three characters inside a single node and gave them a single camera. So while in development, I'm just using the 1, 2, 3 keys to switch in between them, but you'll be able to they'll show up on the main selection menu, and you can switch between characters. So there are 14 levels in the game, and I started designing level 4, which is Puffer Springs. I wanted to give it the vibe of like a closed circuit suburban area. I'm looking for the best way to be able to use textures inside Godot as much as I can, because they look really good and they're really small, and then add the novel pieces as necessary around that. So I knew one day I'd have to learn behavior trees, and that's what I took on. What a behavior tree does, that instead of one big chunk of code that blips and blops all around it, a behavior tree is a series of small little chunks of that code which can only play at one time. So here's an example of my behavior tree playing. The way that the flow goes, it goes from the most important things like death, or are you falling in the air? Have you been hit? Should I run away? Do I talk to the player? Do I just follow the player, or do I just do my own thing? And the concept I couldn't grasp is this is a collection of is this a successful task, or did this task fail, or is this task running? Like, until last week, that was something that my brain couldn't absorb, but I got it, sorta. So that's what's been happening with Fun Man for the past few days. I'd like to thank everybody on Kickstarter who helped support this project, and I'd like to thank all my Patreon patrons who also help support this project. I hope you're having an okay December, and you're hanging in there. I'll talk to you after Christmas. I hope all is going well in your world. Thank you for watching.